What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the AutoWorks. Today we have decided to go one final round with the Kandy. So this could get very interesting very quick, but let's move over to the materials and let me show you what we're working with. Alright, sweetie, so what colors are we going to be doing today?
I want to do coffee.
We're going to do coffee.
And then maybe a golden yellow and a grass green.
Yellow and green and
cherry red and yellow.
Cherry red and yellow. So we're going to be mixing and matching today, guys. So let's pour out some clear. Let's add some pigment to it. And let's get to spraying. Alright, so we laid down the green. What are we doing next, babe?
Coffee.
Coffee. So let's get a little bit of brown in the mix. Maybe a little root beer color. Let's see how it turns out, guys. Woo! That's always fun to watch. The whole bottle. 0.35 ounces. And time to spray. Alright, guys, we've done green, we've done brown. What color's next, sweetie?
Golden yellow.
Golden yellow, guys. Get your fog lights ready. This would probably work great over some fog lights. I'm not even going to say what that looks like. Let's get the spraying. Alright, guys, so we've done brown, we've done green, we've done gold. What's our last colors, babe?
Cherry red and white. We're
going to mix a white, guys, with cherry red. So I guess we might get a pink. Let's see what we do. Oh, that's dark. There's the red. Woo, look at that. Let's spray that out. See what happens. Alright, guys, so we're all done with the spray outs, and my wife has been a big help through all this. How have you liked spraying, sweetie?
I've enjoyed it.
Yeah, she's learned a lot. Like I said, you can see the coats and stuff, or she's worked on it to get it consistent and a lot of other cool things. So she's learned a lot, but obviously, you know, we're still learning, and I know you guys are too, and I am too. Every day I learn something new. But in just a minute, we're going to take you outside, let you see how all the Kandy effects turned out. And this is the final video of the Kandy series, guys. So hope you've enjoyed it. We've had a blast spraying it. And like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm Jonathan with the AutoWorks, and this is Nora, my wife. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, and God bless.